Assalamualaikum to Dr. and friend. Let I introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Amirul Amin bin Muhammad Noor. My metric number 271416. I'm taking Bachelor Management of Technology with honor. My group will choose Advanced Packaging Technology for report. I will present about introduction. The company background. Advanced Packaging Technology Sdn Bhd produce and distribute high-quality flexible packaging material to a variety of industry in both the domestic and international market. Snack, instant noodle, chocolate, biscuit, liquid sauce, frozen meal, milk powder, cooking oil, pharmaceutical. Advanced Packaging Technology was established on March 31, 1982 under the name Goyo Corporation Sdn Bhd. On June 9, 1982, the firm changed its name to Advanced Packaging Technology Sdn Bhd. On May 27, 1993. It became a public company. The current main board of directors consists of Datuk Haji Ghazali Mat Arif as chairman, Peter Lim Yin Kong, Manager Director, and Andrew Lim Yeo Chung, Executive Director. The Advanced Packaging Technology Sdn Bhd. Flexible packaging material portfolio includes single and multi-layer with attractive design. This company can develop flexible packaging material to meet precise specification in both roll and pouch bag from after consulting with client. The vision of company is to meet the ever-rising demand for better and more attractive packaging material. The company philosophy is efficient packaging is a must for any product in this modern era. Without it, the brand image and integrity as well as the quality built into the product during manufacturing and marketing will be lost when they reach the consumer. Correct packaging is the principal way of ensuring safe delivery of the product to the end user in good condition at economic cost. At Advanced Packaging Technology, this company use special knowledge and skill.
Good day everyone, my name is Liu Pei En. So I will continue to present the internal analysis of Advanced Packaging Technology Malaysia Berhad. An internal analysis examines an organization's internal component to assess its resources, assets, characteristics, competencies, capabilities, and competitive advantage. This helps management during the decision-making, strategy formulation, and execution process by identify the organization's strength and weakness. First, the strength of Advanced Packaging Technology Malaysia Berhad, including the flexible and multi-layer packaging material, strict quality control, transparent supply chain management, eco-friendly, continued improve customer satisfaction, cherish and respect the talent, management of occupation health and safety, the more reasons of production machine and system, responsibility of the financial statement, and developing strong supplier and customer relationship. Second, the weakness of Advanced Packaging Technology Malaysia Berhad, including the small factory size, very heavily of the major customer for revenue, ineffective warehouse management, lack launch the recycled packaging materials, low additive plans, the mission of the company lack of the light element of the mission statement, decrease in operating profits, high production costs, high production downtime, and low presence in the international market. Third is IFE metric. The following is internal factor evaluation, IFE metric. It's a strategy used to evaluate company internal environment and to review its strengths as well as weakness. As you can see the figure in the slide, the total weighted score of Advanced Packaging Technology Malaysia Berhad is 2.67, is higher than average score 2.5, indicated the company is strong internally and able to compete with other companies.
My name is Jimmy Ping. I will talk about the external analysis of Advanced Packaging Technology Malaysia Berhad. Firstly, PESTEL analysis. Political. The implemented 6% tax rate of GST have been exchanged all the time, which will cause industry charges include company Advanced Packaging Technology. Economic. The COVID-19 issue have affected the global supply and logistic disruption, caused the increasing of raw material, cost shipping and transportation fees, as well as increased extra expenses like sanitization costs, testing costs, and other staff welfare expenses. Social. Based on the research, the rising number of consumers who prefer and are willing to buy eco-friendly products. If company can offer packaging material with an environmental marketing mix, have a long-term competitive advantage. Technology. The company continues to invest in new machinery, equipment, and other resources in order to maintain cost effectiveness and competitiveness, as well as to fulfill consumers' demanding criteria. Legal. Group has always adhered the regulatory requirements of Department of Environmental, such as environmental and emission standards, fuel usage, noise level, and treatment of plant discharge, effluents, and wastewater. Environment. Advanced packaging technology complies with the DOE requirement, as well as placing the energy-intensive device, lighting bulbs, and energy-efficient air conditioners. Throughout rest periods, air conditioning and lighting will turn off. Next, Poster 5 Force. Competitive rivalry among existing firms. Among the competing companies with advanced packaging technology are PP Plastic Holding Berhad, Bright Packaging Industry Berhad, and Central Global Berhad. The threat of new entrants. Newcomers have taken steps to enter the business and take a piece of the pie. One more new administrator, for instance, could enter the market and divert traffic to address clients' issues. Bargaining power of buyer. Buyer power is important to a company to maintain stability and strengthen their economy. Therefore, this company must meet the requirement satisfaction of their customers so that they are not easily attracted or turned to the offers of other companies. Bargaining power of suppliers. Suppliers also have strong bargaining power to issue higher prices than advanced packaging technology companies, maintain above average profit in the packaging industry. Trades of substitutes. Competitors provide similar product or service, and consumers will benefit for each product, choosing an alternative. The alternative risks in the market are huge given the huge packaging industry. The opportunities of advanced packaging technology are including the collaboration with the government. The key to success is technological innovation, business diversification, export new product to international market, facilitate future joint venture agreements or business expansion for the group, collaboration with other organizations to increase staff skill. Proposed shares repurchase program is likely to benefit the company and its shareholders. Promoting or implementing of environmentally friendly, improved distribution network, and technology improvement. Moreover, the threats of advanced packaging technology are including sluggish economy, high cost of raw material, implications of an unexpected pandemic, aggressive of competitive between company and competitors, employment regulations, political issues, IR 4.0's impact, social trends, foreign exchange risk when implementing the activity export, and rising prices of taxes expense. This is the table of EFE metrics. The findings of the weighted score EFE metrics are 3.0, which indicates that the company has more than the average score, so able to strong and compete with other companies. Next, the competitive profit metrics. The table shows that advanced packaging technology has a higher rating of weighted score 3.33 compared to EPE packaging 2.8 and AMB packaging 2.65. In conclusion, it can be stated that advanced packaging technology remains the most competitive company.
The SWOT analysis framework is used to build the TOWS or SWOT matrix, which represents a company's inner strengths and weaknesses, and also internal, external opportunity and the threats. The SWOT matrix is an effective method to make strategic decision depending on the external internal examination. It is very beneficial in the marketing and administration. Therefore, the SWOT metric is important to help advanced packaging technology Berhad to develop four of strategy, which are SO, strength opportunity strategy, WO, weakness opportunity strategy, ST, strength strategy, and WT, vulnerability trade strategy. As we can see that the SWOT metric of advanced packaging technologies Berhad is shown in the table below. There are 10 strengths and weaknesses were listed. As we know that any business that wish to flourish must delivery outstanding customer service, we can analyzing that advanced packaging technology Berhad should take the all SO, strength opportunity strategic formulas as shown in this table for enhance service quality based on customer requirements, long-term supplier relationship, and develop a new market. Secondly, to get the increased output of the product, improve system in inventory, and start a joint venture, advanced packaging technology Berhad needs to use the WO, weakness opportunity strategy formulas. The ST, strength trade strategy, is pushing a brand of products. The characteristic that enable a corporation to develop better goods or service in response to client demands are referred to as pushing a brand of product. Fulfill customer requirement and training program among employee. There are the ST, strength trade strategy, in the table shown. Last but not least, advanced packaging technology Berhad should make certain that the raw material used in processing activities are just those that are required, such as keeping financial record up to date for businesses, lowering the cost of yield, and create the alternative plan based on WT, vulnerability trade strategy, was shown in the table. The alternative plan is very important for the business. The most important of an alternative plan is to avoid risk. When the company encounters an emergency, even if it loses its current source of income, the company has a way to keep itself alive. So, advanced packaging technology Berhad can do the analysis of the future and do some alternative plan to avoid the risk happen. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Zulaidi. I will present about my chapter, which is strategy evaluation and monitoring. First, evaluation against SWOT metric. Advanced packaging technology, or APT, must conduct a thorough analysis to evaluate the organization's SWOT metric. Furthermore, those analysis can assist business in identify internal and external issues in greater depth. The goals will be to conduct to assist the company in gaining a better understanding of its strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. APT also can devise effective strategies for achieve organization objective, particularly in logistic activities such as forward and backward integrations. And evaluation against QSM metric is create 3 strategy options for selection based on the schedule: enhance company productivity, growing market share, and collaborate with competitors within the firms. It wants to categorize which method should be priorities or concentrate. After conducting research, it has been determined that APT will pursue measures to boost corporate productivity as strategy option. In terms of APT, fundamental principles, the company aspires to run its supply chain with honestly, integrity, respect, and highest industry and ethical standard. In other words, the fundamental value it will provide will serve as reference to APT to decision making in order to boost organization efficiency. Okay, this one is our evaluation framework company. While there is a strategy evaluation assessment metric of our company, which is Advanced Packaging Technology Berhad. In conclusion, APT provide high quality flexible packaging materials service to various industry in the domestic and international markets. In both domestic and international market, the organization produce high quality flexible packaging materials for various sector. The company is always doing R&D to compare the others company. Right banding is the main calculate ensuring a safe and financial savvy conveyance of the items to the end client. APT also employ specialist expertise and abilities, as well as specialized machineries and facilities to provide each client to exception quality and services. That's all from us. Thank you.